今日は私がホースバックライディングに行くので歩きませんでしたので、クリスは running。 We can see him。 クリスです。
You're not leaving yet?
Hello? I'm not ready yet.
What?
We're making YouTube every day.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Want to be in a video again today? No? See you guys later.
See you. So exciting. Yay!
Go away, Rose.
おとなしいでしょ。
初めて。
Hey, you are cutie, cutie. So small, tiny.おしっこしてる。
Wow, it is super hot right now. This is probably the hottest day of the year so far. It's hot. It's hot. When I went running this morning, I thought I was gonna die. I only ran for like 15 minutes. I can't imagine what Mika and her friends were thinking when they decided to go ride horses today. I guess they've been planning it for a few days, but still, if it was me, not that I'm super fond of horses or anything, but if I was gonna go with them and I realized that it was gonna be this hot, I would say, you know, let's go another day, but I'm sure they're having a good time.
Whoa!
Are you okay, Amy?
No, I'm
エミの馬がちょっと走りました。落っこちないといいんだけど。ああ、走ってる。ボミはどこいた？ボミ。一番前。いた。走ってます。
I am here. Okay, good. That was nice. Hi. Yeah.
楽しかった。痛い？足？来てるもう。明日歩けないよ。ボミはどこ？ボミ。Where's Bomi? How was the ride? Your horse was so hot.
Literally scared. It hurt. My ass, and what? So much hurt.
Love you, I love you, I love you. やばい、クリスに怒られるカメラが。But you are so handsome. You're my favorite horse.
My plan is to add natto to these Korean noodles. They're called hururuk. We got this new natto, and it has this clear bag called tare, and I have no idea what it is. I'm gonna put it in and hope that it's not some sort of like packing agent. I'm hoping it's not disgusting. I guess I'll find out in a minute, but yeah, if you can tell me what that is, I'd love to hear from you. I made this without Mika's help.
Hi, Bomi. Let's go gay club next time.
Yeah.
Bye. これあった。これが大好き。買います。値段は見ない。
私も買ってみよう。
買ってみて、これ絶対おすすめだから。コリアンマーケットです。コチュジャンが欲しい。どれがいいかな。結構使うんだよね、コチュジャン。これ安い。2ドル99。
この間おばちゃん、なんかここにいた韓国のおばちゃんにどれがおすすめって聞いたらこれって言われてこれ買った。
あ、それなんだ。美味しい？
辛い。
辛いんだ。あんまり辛くないのがいいんだけど。
これがいいんじゃない？
いやだ、これ超辛そう。
そう辛い。
いやだ、安いのでいい。安い味でいい。 これで
甘いかな。
甘いかも。食べる前はこんなんでした。
食べたらこうなった。
Emi's apartment has free coffee and free teas and free cookies. Last one. エミのアパートを紹介。
ありがとう。
またねー。バイバイ。ただいま。
おかえりなさい、みかり。
What did you do today?
I did a lot of this.
何？
I wrote information for websites. It's really boring.
About what?
Today I wrote about breasts again. I wrote about appliance repair. People don't want to hear this. It's just too boring.
かわいそう。I had so fun today.
You had fun? Are you trying to make me go bald again?
No. かわいそう。これは何ですか？
全然知らない。
Roll cabbage.
Roll cabbage.
I told you yesterday.
Roll cabbage. How do you say that in English? Cabbage roll? Maybe?
Maybe.
何が入ってるの？
Chicken with いろいろ。Let's try.
食べてみよう。
How was the roll cabbage?
It was good. I liked it a lot.
本当？
But not the ketchup. Sorry. I don't like ketchup.
Okay. Sleep.
Oh, okay.
早く。Good night. See you tomorrow.
Can you say it closer together?
Can you say? あ、違う。Good night. See you tomorrow.
Bye, guys.
Bye.